Check this out. The key to selling is discounter pattern, and the key to buying is discounter pattern, right? And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It's at the heart of everything you trade. Well, no matter fair value gap, supply and demand, support and resistance, everything. It's at the heart of it. Okay, so I usually like to start on the 1 hour time frame, looking for the two candle pattern. I just look and see, can I find one, the nearest one I can find. I see that one right there, but it'll work, but that's not where I like for it to look. So I'm gonna and when I don't find one on the time frame, I just go to the next time frame, like the 30 minutes, something like that. So I'm going to the 30 minute. All right. And you see how better that one look? You know what I'm saying? That looks so much better right there. So I'm gonna mark it from wick to wick. Mark it from wick to wick, right? All right. So we know we got that. So we got to find one for the buy side to trade too. We got to find one for the buy side to trade too. So, and I like to, go to the next time frame to see, can I find one on the lower time frame? Be more precise. And that go one right there. Right there. It's clean. I do check the lower time frame. I try to find one that's just clean, but I think that one on M15 gonna be the best. But I am checking M5 to see what I got, and I'm not liking anything I'm seeing right now. So go one way down now, but we not focused on that. That's pushing it right there. So I don't like that I see on the M5. And, I just double check and make sure I'm not overlooking anything. And we'll go back to the M15. And that one right there, we're going to mark it. From wick to wick. Wick to wick, we're going to mark that. All right. So now price is in the center of both zones. So all we doing looking for a retest and a rejection. So if price goes into one and rejects out, we take that trade every time. So that's all we're looking for. And with your stop loss goes above or below the zone, depending on which zone. But I'm gonna show you that you don't just put it at the edge of the box. I do it a different way because price likes to manipulate. So right now we just pushing and we got a touch. We got a touch right there. As soon as that joker touch, reject it out of there, take that trade. It's, take that trade. It's in the Asian session, man. That's a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Take that. You see how I got that 4107? I'm gonna go down to 4105. You know what I'm saying? I always go, round those numbers. Whether I round down or round up, And I'm doing this for back test, so it ain't perfect, but it's supposed to be up for the 105. And you push your TP up to the edge of the box. We're not trying to go inside of it. We're not trying to go to the top of it. We're going right to the edge. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I do it. You want to get a good clean move. You don't have to get all the moves, just a good clean move. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to put this to the back so we can see the candles move. And yeah, boom, TP hit. TP would have been hit easy, smooth and easy. Just repeat the process. That's done. And delete those. Delete. I'm looking for a new two candle pattern right now. And y'all be patient with me. Like this, I'm winging it. This ain't nothing planned. I'm just doing this real quick for y'all, And boom, look at that. That would have been beautiful coming up out of there. We still should be selling right now. Coming up out of there, should be selling. But I'm just showing y'all how to get it, how to scalp it. You don't always have to get a big move. So we scalping it. So I'm looking to find another zone. Because we come out there on the 1 hour, so I want to find one on the 1 hour. I don't like the way that one looks, so all I'm seeing is fair value gaps, and I don't know nothing about that. So boom, I see that one way down here. And mark this one right here. It's not the best, but I'm gonna mark it. Wick to wick, or top to bottom, Some candles, all candles don't have wicks, so do it from top to bottom. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the best one. I see that one right there. I'm eyeing that one. And I'm gonna go ahead and mark that one too. I think that was one I already had. Should have just left it up there if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, that was one I already had. So I came back to it. And because I'm looking for sales. Boom. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh, that was beautiful. I'm taking that every time. I'm taking that. So I'm gonna show y'all, got the rejection. Put the stop loss at the top. Boom, it's 137. So we're gonna round to 140. Boom, 140. We're gonna round to 140. We're gonna come down to the edge right there. Or you can just trade down to the bottom of that range right there. But I just like to go to the edge of that box. Make sure we, the TP get hit. I ain't trying to get all the move. I'm just trying to get the clean move. And we pushing. TP hit. Y'all don't believe me? Y'all can back test this, man. I'm telling you, all those names and all this type of strategy, man. That engulfing pattern is at the heart of everything. It has different variations. It don't look the same all the time. Some have longer wicks, some have shorter wicks, just like I'm showing you. But when you mark them, man, it works. It works. It's simple. Boom. That one's breaking below. So now we're going to use that as a new supply. Or we find a new one. So we're going to see. I'm going to iron that one right there. Yep. Alright. We're going to go down to another time frame. We're on the M30, same thing. Boom. We're going to keep that one marked. And we're going to do the same thing. We got to break out of it. We're going to look to retest it. I actually was already in the trade. I take a lot of breakouts. I know I'm going to have drawdown, but I take a lot of breakouts. I got in my trade at 3 a.m., I think, something like that. But we got to retest, breakout, boom. Take that trade. Gonna mark that up just like we did before. Gonna mark it. That candle coming out of there, breaking out. And it closed outside of it too. It's even more confirmation. Got to grab the wrong tool. Gonna get the short tool. Put the stop loss at the top of the box. Well, gonna drag this. This is a move right here. Yeah, it's a move right here. We're gonna drag to the top for 117. So we're gonna round to 120. We're gonna round to 120 because the market does like to manipulate. So we're gonna round to 120. And yeah, we're gonna see how this play out. Drag this over a little bit. Put the visual behind so you can see the candle. And we cooking. You gonna see what happens. Boom. That's why I say round your stop loss up. Don't just put it to the top of that box, because you see that little bit right there? It would have stopped you out. Would have been stopped out and you'd have been pissed. Like, how you gonna stop me out, then go the direction I wanted to go? Always round up. Always round up. Don't go to the edge of no zone. Always round up or down, depending on which way you trade. And yeah, we're gonna see what happens. You know? Gonna see what happens. It's cooking, pushing up, back and forth. And Trump said, "Let me tell you something." And boom, TP hit. TP hit, just like that. This works all the time. Once you understand how the market moves and what it's moving, what's driving it. I know the candlestick's not driving. I know, fundamentals and economic news and all that stuff. I know that's what's driving the market. But on the technical side, you learn and understand those two candle patterns, you're gonna be good. It's simple. It's not hard. Hey, just repeat the process. All you need is one good trade a day, man. You don't need to be in the markets all day. But I literally traded every session, just showing you. I broke down every session on how to trade it. Just give it a try, see for yourself. Hey, and let me know if you like this video, if you find this information valuable. If you hate this video, let me know what you think. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. All right, it's your boy Bank Jones, Bank Squad. We out. Peace.